back to a brand new video. I got a message from the hackers saying that they're leaving clues at the park for other hackers. So I'm going to be at the park trying to find the clues before the hackers find the clues. So yeah, let's do this. Stay to the end of the video to find out right or not. We took the shoes off and we're going up. Let's see if there's anything that we can find, like clues. What the? Oh my gosh, that hurts my feet. Who the hell decided to put Legos on this thing? Come on. Let's just go down the slide. Guys, I know who put Legos on the slide. The hackers. They must have done this. They must know that I'm coming, so they're trying to prank me and just hurt me. Well, guess what, hackers? Thank you for the Legos. I appreciate it. Well, guys, even if those stupid hackers are doing that, at least I can still swim on. Right, so guys, even if those stupid hackers are making me do all of this and pranking me, at least I can still go on the swings. Let's go on. Should we go on slide? Should we go on swing number 1 or swing number 2? Let's go for swing number 2. What? Guys, what's on me? Sticky tape? They got my DNA. Why would they do that? So first you stupid hackers are over there killing me with Legos, and now you're over here trying to get my DNA. Well, guess what? I can just take the tape. It's not that hard. Yeet. You see this? It's scrunched up. No DNA. Well, we will actually pick that up. Are you kidding? I'm not going to just leave that on the floor. Stop littering. This is going in the bin. Let's just take it into the bin. Can I get it in? Miss? Now can I get it in? Hey! Ugh, it smells horrible. Looks like we're using this. Stop pranking me. No way. Is this a phone? A free flipping phone? Can we turn it on? The moment of truth. It doesn't work. Oh, you stupid hacker prankers. You know what? I'm gonna get you back. In the next video, I'm gonna prank all of you stupid hackers and give you a taste of your own medicine. Guys, can't see anything. All I can see is the Nando's sign. And what is that? The near in the sky, of course. But that's all that I can see. Just let's carry on scanning. Whoa, guys, can you guys see that? That black thing behind that wall. Is that a hacker?